Disabling Find My AirPods, a step-by-step guide.
Hello and welcome to our Tech Help Guide. Today, we'll be tackling a question that many AirPods users might be wondering about. Is it possible to disable the Find My AirPods feature? Let's dive in and find out.
What is Find My AirPods?
Before we jump into the process, it's essential to understand what Find My AirPods is. This is a handy feature offered by Apple that allows you to locate your AirPods using the Find My app if you ever misplace them. However, there might be instances where you may want to disable this feature.
Can Find My AirPods be disabled?
Unfortunately, the answer to this is no, you cannot directly disable the Find My AirPods feature. This is because the feature is inherently tied to the Find My iPhone service, which tracks all your Apple devices. Once Find My iPhone is enabled, Find My AirPods becomes automatically activated.
What can I do instead?
While you cannot disable Find My AirPods directly, there is an indirect way around it. You can disable the Find My iPhone feature, which will in turn disable Find My AirPods. But remember, this means none of your Apple devices will be trackable if they are lost or stolen. If you wish to proceed, 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. 3. Choose iCloud. 4. Scroll down and select Find My iPhone. 5. Toggle off the Find My iPhone switch. Remember, this method should be used cautiously. It's generally advisable to keep Find My iPhone enabled for the safety and trackability of all your Apple devices. And there you have it. While it's not possible to directly disable the Find My AirPods feature, we have learned that you can indirectly achieve this by turning off the Find My iPhone service. However, this does come with its own risks, and it's always crucial to ensure the security and trackability of your devices. We hope this guide has been helpful, and as always, remember to take care of your tech.